and today we are tapping into our sexual energy in order to manifest our dream life. Hello and welcome. I am Garrett Paknis, musician and founder of Creative Life School. Now, I chose to be celibate about 2 months ago, and the things that I am manifesting in my life because I'm not sharing my power, my life force energy, all of that, and I'm just being in flow with God, the universe, whatever you want to call it, the life force energy that we all share is incredible. Things are flying left and right into my life. I've always manifested with sexual energy. I go in and out of having lots of sex to some sex to no sex. And it's a little delicate dance, but I am finding that these 2 months of really being able to be cleansed and have clear vision is incredible because my music career, has been on the brink of some really awesome things going on. I'm a poet rapper. This is my spiritual channel, but I have a personal brand and I have an audience all over the world who listens to my music. And I just had a great feature with a rapper, Bushy, and we had a premiere in Wonderland, and all these other things are going on around my life. And I just wanted to take a pause to grow it, and I wanted to get really intentional because that's how we manifest with our sexual energy. Because sexual energy is just life force energy. It's the energy that the universe provides us to accomplish our purpose, our passion. And if we're just throwing it away, because there's so much energy in the root chakra and the sacral chakra, our lower two chakras, if we're throwing away that energy, especially if we're sharing it without intention or just sharing it like in a one-night stand or a one-off, and it isn't from a place of love or mutual respect, then we're actually hurting our energy. Our energy wants to be valued. It wants to be respected. And I am all pro sex, and you do you, honey. I'm pro ho. But we need to be respected in our energy exchanges, or else we are going to feel off and out of alignment with our true self. Because our soul doesn't want our bodies to be mistreating our energy, right? Doesn't that make sense? We need to be in flow. We need to be in harmony. We need to be in alignment. So this is how I am manifesting with my sexual energy. I'm getting clear about my intentions. And when I am feeling really, really turned on and just horny, I am actually just sitting with myself and meditating. And instead of fantasizing about a partner or sex, you know what I'm doing? I'm fantasizing about my dream life. I'm fantasizing about sitting in my future Porsche behind the steering wheel and how that's gonna feel. I'm thinking about hearing my songs on the radio all over the world and seeing them on Spotify editorial playlists. And I'm looking at my profile on Spotify and seeing over 1 million monthly listeners. When I can connect that to my horniness, it is a game changer. I can feel these things happening. And in my day-to-day life, see that people are responding to me different, and I'm responding to me different. Because in order to manifest our dream life, we have to feel good from the inside out. That is all that manifestation is. We have to be in alignment with our soul's desires. It's not just about what our ego wants. Our ego might want this or that, or to go viral on TikTok, or whatever it is. $1 million. What does our soul want? Our soul wants connection. It might want that Porsche, like I said, but it is in terms of an enjoyment, a freedom. So when we can connect to our enjoyment and freedom and get in touch with the things that give us energy around our joy and freedom, that's when we find that power. So what you can do is you can visualize the business relationships that you want to attract. You can visualize the partner you want to attract, like the love relationship that you want to attract. You can manifest anything, money too, with your sexual energy. It just has to be in alignment with your soul. But your soul wants you to be abundant. Your soul wants you to be prosperous. Your soul wants you to have connection, because the more happy people in alignment and connection on this world, the more harmony and unity and peace that we see. And that is what this world needs right now. And if you're watching this video, you're one of the peacemakers on this planet. So get in touch with your energy. When you're turned on, envision your dream, whether it's a relationship, money, career, business, creativity, friendships, whatever it is. Think about it, feel that energy, be turned on, and know that it's already yours. And be thankful for it. Thank the universe for creating your best life with you, and for you to be creating your best life with you, because the power is in your hands. So don't waste your energy, protect it. Every time you have sex with someone, you are creating a karma contract with them. You pick up their emotions, you pick up their pain. No matter who you are or what you think, it's real. Everything in this life is energy. So when you share your intimate energy, or you're inside of someone, or they're inside of you, think about it. It can actually give you negative energy. If you're having sex with someone who has sex with a lot of other people, or whose aura isn't clean, be intentional, be productive. We're all about living our greatest life out loud. So if you're into this, I go in so much deeper healing in my course, Sexual Magnetism. We get rid of the shame, the blocks that keep us blocked in our lower chakras, our fear of connection, our fears of intimacy, all of that. You can sign up down below for a free boot camp to tap you into this stuff further. Otherwise, if you like this kind of content and you want to live your best life, I give so many tips of how to get into your self-confidence, your body worth, your inspired creative worth, just personal development stuff. So like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you use your sexual energy to do magnificent things and not just be, juicy with your life. I'm Garrett Paknis, musician and founder of Creative Life School, and I will see you so soon. Have a great day, and make your energy flourish for yourself and for others. Mwah.